Thank you for buying an Intex small rectangular metal frame above-ground pool. Setting it up is simple and easy. This video will give you a quick overview of your new Intex small rectangular metal frame pool and how to set it up. There are also important detailed instructions in your owner's manual. Watching this video will help you visualize details of the pool setup. The pool shown is the 4.5 meter by 2.2 meter by 84 centimeter small rectangular metal frame pool. Your pool parts may differ in number and type or color depending on your model. Assembly requires 2 people. No tools are needed. Lay out the content of the carton. Open the carton carefully so you can reuse it to store your pool. Check that you have all the parts listed in your manual. Do not assemble the pool if parts are damaged or missing. For replacement parts, please visit our website at www.intexcorp.com. It is important to determine ahead of time where to set up your pool since the pool cannot be moved once it is filled with water. Follow these guidelines. Set up your pool on a completely level surface. Do not set up on mud, sand, or loose soil. Failure to set up the pool on level compact ground may result in the pool being unstable and leaning to one side when filled with water. Do not place the pool against a house, wall, or fence. The pool should be within reach of an electrical outlet. Envision the traffic patterns around the pool when determining where to place the filter pump so people will not trip on the electric cord. Do not plug the pump into an electrical outlet until you have finished setting up both the pool and the pump. Follow these electrical guidelines. Ensure that the pool is at least 3.5 meters from any electrical outlet. You must be able to plug in the pump into an electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Electrical outlets must be GFCI or RCD protected. Check local requirements. Some communities require fencing or wall enclosures. Before unrolling the pool, clear the area of any objects that might puncture the liner and avoid dragging it in place. Carry your pool to your chosen location. Never drag the pool across the ground. You may damage the liner and cause leaks. Unroll the pool. Make sure the pool is right side up and let the liner warm in the sun for easier assembly. Look for the pool connection holes and rotate the pool so they will face the filter.